Bro, for the mods, ban the fucking losers in my chat saying it's lagging. Throw it in sub only. Throw it in sub only right now. I don't give a fuck. Throw it in sub only for the rest of the fucking stream for all I care right now. These idiots just spamming lag. They just piss me off. I already had to restart my stream. Shut the fuck up! Holy hell, you're annoying. Mods, timeout, Sketty. Sketty for the 3. Hey, champ, looks like you might be going through some Twitch issues. Timeout, Sketty for 10 minutes.